If you like saving time, creating content, and building your business, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the latest AI updates inside of Canva that can help you do exactly that. The first tool we're going to explore is called Dream Lab. You're going to see it right over here. Click on it. Once you do, you're going to see this whiteboard where you can describe the image in a few words. Then you have the option of choosing what is the style that you want for the picture, and then you have the size. So let's go ahead and describe the image that we want to create. Then select the style. I'm going to do creative, and I'm going to choose the 9:16, okay? And then I'm going to click create. So this is the image that I created. It gave me different options. As you can see, it's quite realistic and it's fun to use. Also, if you want to use the same description but you want to change the style, let's say you're going to go, let's change the size and let's go with 69 and see how it comes up with new ideas, different sizes, and it's fun to use. So honestly, Dream Lab is one of my favorites, so there you go. Very easy to use. Let's go to the next one. The second tool that I really enjoyed using is called Magic Write. Since it was upgraded in October of 2024, now there's more options to use, and I want to show you exactly what you can get out of Magic Write. There's two ways to use this upgraded version. First way, you can go ahead and add the instructions that you want Magic Write to do for you. So let's begin with concise this text for LinkedIn, let's say that. And we're going to paste the text. This is right here. And I'm going to click on generate. So as you can see, it concised it and it put it small. I don't like it that much, so I'm going to use this, but don't use bold texts. Generate it, and it's going to do it all again without the bold text. And then you can say more like this if you want to keep creating and developing this text right over here. And then you have all these prompts, which are brainstorm, paragraph generator, all of this, okay, that you show right here. Let's say that you want to create a podcast outline. So basically the great thing about Magic Write is it gives you a template of how it can look for you to create that podcast outline, and then you can just fill it up with the information that you want. The same thing happens if you want to do, let's say, idea brainstorm. It gives you a template of how to create that idea brainstorm, and that's basically it. The last update that I want to show you is in a tool called Whiteboard. If you have used it before, you understand that it's basically in a whiteboard. We're going to write all your ideas, but now you can summarize them, you can organize them by color, topics, anything you want. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Here is an example by Canva, and you're going to select everything, correct? After this done, you're going to click on this little pen, right? And the first thing is we're going to create a summary of this. So create summary. You have the summary right over here. I'm going to put it bigger. As you can see, is right over here. Then you have options. You can sort it by topic, by color, by name, by reactions. This is how can you sort it or organize it, okay? Basically, these are the three top tools that I've been using inside of Canva. One, to create better content, which is the written content. One, to have fun, because it's Dream Lab and you can create new content and ideas and just simply share it with your team. And honestly, the last one, Whiteboard, which I have always enjoyed using because it's a way for you to visually see everything that you're doing. But now you can create a summary, which you can send to your team, to your client. And again, it's saving you time, helping you build your business even stronger. And also as well, helping you create content like I'm doing right now with you guys. So all the best. Thank you so much.